Hi, friends, welcome to my channel. See here, it's an Epson L3500 printer and its two orange lights are blinking and cannot print any document. Let's check how to solve this issue. Open Run and type Control and hit Enter. Click on Hardware and Sound. And open Devices and Printers. Select and right-click the printer. And select Printing Preferences. A window will pop up. Select Maintenance tab. Click on the Epson print monitor. Now you can see the error. And it says waste ink pad counter is full. And need to be reset. So we need to manually reset using an resetter program. I have given the downloadable link in the description. Let's close this window. And return to desktop. Open the resetter program. Run it as administrator. A Windows will open now. Click on Select button and select our printer and port. Click on Particular Adjustment Program. Select the waste ink pad counter. Then click OK. Now the waste ink pad counter will show you. Select the checkbox and click Get Status button. Now it's showing ink flow error. Close and click Check button. Now you can see the waste pad counter reach its maximum point. So just select the checkbox and click Initialize. A prompt will appear and say counter will be initialized. Click OK to continue initialization. It will take 2 or 3 seconds. Now it's asked for turn off the printer. When you turn off the printer, a pop window show you. It's completed successfully. Now turn on the printer. Click OK on the pop-up window. Again click Check the waste pad counter. Now you can see it has been resetted. Exit from the program. Open Devices and Printers. Make a test print to check the printer. Now, check your printer. The blinking lights goes off and printer is ready to use. Thank you for watching my video. If like this video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel.